Imagine a home that moves with you. A space so well designed that every inch is crafted for comfort and style. Today, we take you inside a beautifully designed tiny house on wheels. A perfect blend of modern aesthetics and practical living. Stick around till the end to discover its unique features. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more amazing home tours. At first glance, this tiny house demands attention. Wrapped in a striking black exterior with warm cedar wood accents, it presents a modern yet cozy feel. The triple-axle trailer base ensures smooth mobility, making this home perfect for those who love adventure without sacrificing luxury. With its smart insulation and energy-efficient design, it's built to handle all seasons effortlessly. Step inside, and you're welcomed by an inviting living space. Natural light floods the area through large windows, creating an open and breathable atmosphere. A plush armchair sits in the corner, perfect for reading and relaxation, while the cleverly designed staircase offers built-in storage, maximizing every inch of this compact home. The exposed wooden beams add a touch of rustic charm, making this space feel both warm and modern. This kitchen is a chef's dream. With sleek black and white cabinetry, a spacious farmhouse sink, and modern electrical appliances, cooking becomes an effortless joy. The countertops are crafted from durable quartz, adding both style and functionality. The dining table is perfectly positioned by the window, allowing breathtaking outdoor views with every meal. Imagine sipping your morning coffee while watching the sunrise. Pure bliss. Moving to the bathroom, simplicity meets sophistication. The all-white theme adds a sense of spaciousness, while a full-size sink, modern commode, and even a bathtub redefine what's possible in a tiny home. Yes, you heard that right. A bathtub. The water-efficient fixtures and ventilation system ensure comfort without waste, making it both eco-friendly and stylish. Finally, let's head upstairs to the sleeping loft. Tucked neatly above the main area, this bedroom offers a cozy retreat with ample space for a queen-sized bed. The large windows provide a serene view, filling the space with natural light. The soft lighting and minimalist decor create the perfect environment for relaxation. Just imagine falling asleep under a sky full of stars, right from the comfort of your tiny home. The owners of this tiny home designed it to embrace a simpler, more sustainable lifestyle. We wanted a home that gives us freedom without compromising on comfort, they share. With thoughtful design and smart space utilization, this tiny house proves that downsizing doesn't mean sacrificing luxury. This tiny house on wheels isn't just a home, it's a lifestyle. Whether you're seeking minimalism, sustainability, or a new adventure, this modern tiny home is proof that big dreams can fit into small spaces. What do you think about this design? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more inspiring tiny home tours.